they put us out of the championship last year, and I suppose there's been a bit of a rivalry brewing there for the last number of years as well with Dublin and Donegal. They're probably the benchmark throughout the country at the minute and have been for the last number of years. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. There's a lot made of Donegal to play in Dublin. I think we've only beaten them once in the last 6 or 7 meetings, to be honest. I think the one beaten was an All-Ireland semi-final. It's probably the most high profile. I think that's the one everyone remembers. But I think before that and after that, we haven't really been close to them. So it's a big game for us. It's going to give us a indication of where we're at. So yeah, it's going to be a big game for us.
Going up to Donegal, obviously you have to travel, you're on a bus, so it is a little bit more challenging. So the parameters of our game performance won't change too much, but the actual circumstances of how we're going to get there and staying in a hotel and eating before and after a game and things like that. But again, it's a challenge that we're supposed to be welcome, and you can always add little things and you find out little things about yourself when you do go away in these days that take a couple of hours to get to, etc. So again, it's something that we welcome as a team and as a player in the team. They've lost probably a couple of experienced guys over the last number of years, so it is hard to replace the experience. But in saying that, they also have a lot of young guys. Them and Cavan under 21s the last couple of years would also been challenging, if not winning, also championships. So I think they have a lot of experienced guys, as well as a couple of older heads. So they're probably building again, or certainly building somewhat again in now the start of 2017.
Before 2011-12, I suppose. As a kid growing up, you mightn't have seen a lot of these teams coming to Donegal to play in the league. So yes, the crowds that be at Donegal league matches now is far bigger than what was there before. So yeah, there's a big buzz throughout Donegal now with the football, and has been ever since we won All-Ireland in 2012. So yeah, the more big teams to come to the Ballybofey or Letterkenny, it's going to be good for Donegal football.